Layn Turo University, and Happy New Year. If you're at the end of the year, or you watch this video and it's end of the year, or it's in the middle of the year, or if it's a new year, I don't care. But especially if it's a new year, or end of the year, or even middle of the year, if you're a new Turo host, what you need to immediately do is make sure, if you want to truly take this business seriously, write down all your expenses. Make sure you write down your profits, your losses, and most importantly, you can sign up for an EIN through the irs.gov. Go to IRS, get your EIN number for free. And then what you can do essentially, even if you have a sole proprietor, as long as you have a sole proprietorship and you have his own EIN number, you can build business credit, even if you don't have an actual LLC or corporation. If you have an LLC or corporation, make sure you get your EIN number, that we can build business credit so you get to the point as you grow and show that you have income and a good debt to income ratio while you have to track your expenses, is that you want to be able to start getting business credit, business loans, business financing, etc., if you need to do so, so you don't have to rely so heavily on yourself and your social security number. So that's what you do if you're a new tour host. If you're a veteran tour host, or power host, or an experienced tour host, this is your time. You could also do this, but the review for you is make sure you go back over the year you've been renting or sharing your car, and make sure to go over all the mistakes you've made. That's what I highly recommend. If it's a new year to you, Happy New Year. If we're about to approach the new year and it's at the end of the year, or if it's to the point where it's in the middle of the year, or if you're watching this anytime in the year, doesn't matter. Immediately make sure you have an EIN number. Make sure you have you're building business credit. Make sure if you're a veteran tour host or someone who's experienced, who's already on tour, you go over the last year or last few months and see any mistakes you've made and learn from those and go back over it. This might sound obvious, but people constantly make the same mistakes over and over and over. So what I highly recommend, New Year, Happy New Year. If you're approaching New Year, doesn't matter what time of the year it is, always go over the mistakes you've made thus far. That's how you do it. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out.